Hey guys, welcome back to my video today. Today we're going to be doing a review on some clear slime, and excuse my dress, it's a dress by the way, but like, yeah, see, it's really nice. Okay guys, so I think without further ado, let's just get straight on with the video. Okay guys, I've got the slime out and this is what it looks like. It was a really nice light blue, but for some weird reason the colour went to a grey. So we're going to try and put the colour back up again. In the slime, it has stars and moon shapes in, as you can probably tell. And it's a very nice slime. It's not like a normal slime because I never actually, this is one of my old clear slimes, but I found it and yeah. And I just thought we could do a video on it. It used to be really stretchy, and now it has, it's good, but like it's not as stretchy. So I have an idea what we're going to be doing to get this stretchy enough. We'll meet you in my bathroom guys, and I'm going to fill the sink up with hot water and then I'll be with you then, so yeah. Okay guys, I filled up the sink with hot water and it's actually hot. So I have the slime and it is kind of stretchy, as you can see. Also the little sequins will probably fall out, but that's fine because I have some glitter that we can put in. So I'm just gonna... So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes now guys. So I've took it out of the water and I've kneaded it all in. Now it's stretchy and it is super, it's not soft because it's not fluffy slime, but it is a very different texture because I don't really make clear slime and I love this slime. So most of the stars and things came out. So just going to flat it because that's quicker. Okay, there you go. You probably can't see me, but you know. But first I couldn't find any food dye, so I got some pens and I'm just going to start doing this because I'm not sure if this will work, so. Okay guys, I'm just going to colour it all in. Okay, so I'm just going to need it. It's fine, Pop. You can help me knead this in. Trying to make it purple.
Daisy, can I take some of yours?
You can't keep it because I'm made it, but I can make you some more. We just need to get some ingredients. I love this. It's got a really light pink shimmer. Pop, you're not actually allowed it. Do you want me to get you some?
Because I want my other one.
But I don't know where that is.
Yours, that one.
Yeah, I know. I don't know where it is. You know the one at my summer fair? Where did that go?
I was trying to make it more not sticky because it's sticky, but now it was. And then I was adding water to it, and then I chucked it in the bin.
Why did you add water to it?
Because that makes it more stretchier.
Yeah, but was it cold or hot?
It was watery.
What, your slime?
Yeah.
Well, then that's because you added water into it.
No, the one at your fair.
Yeah, did you add water into it?
Yeah.
Well, that's what's made it watery.
No, I won't have any slime.
Well, it's because you need to ask me first.
Yeah, but I want to make some.
I know, babe, but I don't have any ingredients right now. Okay, guys, I made a slime purple. I have this. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video on how to fix your slime, your clear slime, or like any old slime really. Hopefully you liked this video. Comment down below #DaisySquad to become or have a shout out in my next video. Yeah, go and check out Darcy Davies. That is actually my best friend. She's had a shout out before in my video, and yeah, so just go and check out her channel. The link will be down below. Go and follow my Musical.ly and Instagram, and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos these few weeks as it's the summer holidays. So yeah, bye. Just comment any videos you want me to do in the comments, and I will do, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. So yeah, bye.